Let's be completely honest with each other right from the start. The vast majority of people who click on videos about making money online will never actually make you a single dollar. They watch the tutorials, they get a quick burst of excitement, and then they completely fail. But today, we are breaking that cycle for you in this video. I am giving you the exact, no fluff, step-by-step blueprint to make your very first $100 online using the power of artificial intelligence. You don't need any money up front. You don't need previous technical experience, and you don't need a team. It is literally just you and your laptop. We are going to build a highly optimized, global YouTube business entirely from scratch today. If you are ready to stop dreaming, stop endlessly scrolling, and actually start building a legitimate online income this year, smash that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Setup. Stop scrolling, stop looking away, look directly at this screen. I need your absolute, undivided attention for the next 2 minutes, because what I'm about to tell you is the core reason you haven't made money online, yet almost every single beginner fails in the online space for one simple reason: the shiny object syndrome combined with micro effort. You find a video like this, you watch 10 minutes of it, you try it for maybe half an hour, and then the moment it gets slightly difficult, or you don't magically get 1 million views overnight, you quit. You close the tab and you go search for another magic side hustle video to give you a temporary dopamine hit. That let's clear up the misinformation right now. AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude make the execution phase incredibly easy, but they do not replace human consistency. If you treat this workflow like a lottery ticket, you are guaranteed to lose. But if you treat this like a real machine where you input structured, consistent daily effort to pull out an output of real cash, you will win. If you do not possess the attention span to finish this 10-minute tutorial without switching tabs, close this video right now. But if you are genuinely ready to change your financial trajectory, pay close attention to Step 1. Step 1 is all about establishing your digital real estate. To pull in continuous revenue, we need a channel architecture optimized from day one to attract a worldwide audience. Creating the Gmail account, head over to Google, click on Create Account, and make sure you explicitly select for work or my business. Do not link this to your cluttered personal email. You want a dedicated, professional inbox solely committed to your brand, which will become vital later when sponsors want to reach out to buy shout-outs. Creating the YouTube channel. Once your business account is active, log into YouTube, click your profile icon, and hit Create a Channel. Now here is the critical optimization step that beginners miss to ensure your content targets a global, high-paying audience, specifically regions like the US, Canada, and Europe, where advertisers pay the highest CPM rates. Go straight into your YouTube studio settings, click on Channel, and set your target country and advanced keywords to match your global niche. Do not restrict your geographic or primary language profiles to a narrow local dialect if you want worldwide views and premium ad revenue. To run this entire automated media system efficiently, you need to download, install, or bookmark exactly 5 foundational tools. The best part about this stack: every single one of them has a completely robust free tier version, meaning your startup cost is exactly $0. Number 1, ChatGPT. This is going to serve as our rapid-fire short-form brainstormer and our metadata SEO specialist. Number 2, Claude. This is our master long-form scriptwriter. We choose Claude over other models because its language processing outputs a highly natural, human-like cadence that holds viewer retention far better. Number 3, CapCut, our multi-platform editing powerhouse, which you can use seamlessly on either desktop or mobile. Number 4, YT Studio, the official command center app where we track real-time analytics, optimize click-through rates, and monitor growth. Number 5, ElevenLabs, the industry standard for hyper-realistic, human-sounding AI voice generation. Now, before we open up these applications and generate the actual content assets, I want to do a quick filter. Stop right here and drop a comment below saying, "I am committing to this," if you're still watching. Writing it down keeps you psychologically accountable, and it lets me see exactly who in our community is genuinely serious about hitting that $100 milestone. Drop a like on the video right now, and let's open up the tools. First, open up Claude. We feed it a deliberate prompt designed for retention. Type exactly this. Write a deeply engaging, high-retention 8-minute YouTube script about your niche. For example, the dark side of the coffee industry. Use suspense, short sentences, and incredibly strong hooks at the start of every section. Once Claude generates the text, copy it over to your dashboard. Next, open up ChatGPT. Paste the long-form script you just got from Claude directly into the chat box and input this prompt. Analyze this long-form script and generate 5 highly viral 30-second YouTube short scripts based on this exact information. Ensure each one includes a high-converting emotional hook in the first 3 seconds. Boom, just like that, you have both your long and short-form assets completely aligned. Take your script text over to ElevenLabs, browse the voice library, and select a deep, authoritative, and captivating voice profile, such as Adam or Marcus. Paste your text, hit generate, and download your high-quality audio file. Pro tip: if you ever run out of free allocation credits on ElevenLabs and aren't ready to upgrade, you can import your text directly into CapCut. Use CapCut's built-in text-to-speech engine entirely for free to generate unlimited, smooth voiceovers native to your editing timeline. Import your generated voiceover track into your CapCut timeline. Drop in relevant, copyright-free B-roll background footage or high-quality AI-generated imagery that visually represents the spoken word. Slice out any dead space or awkward breaths in the audio track to keep the pacing snappy. Finally, hit the Auto Captions button, select a bold template, and apply dynamic text animations to keep eyes glued to the center of the video. Export the final file in crisp 1080p or 4K resolution. Once your video file is exported, upload it through your YT Studio application with optimized titles and tags. But let's address the elephant in the room. How do you actually cross the monetization threshold to get paid directly by YouTube? You need to hit 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 hours of valid public watch time. The fastest way for a beginner to crack this code is by utilizing the bridge strategy. Do not simply upload a long-form video once a week into an empty digital void and pray for views. Instead, schedule 3 to 4 of those highly targeted YouTube shorts we generated earlier with ChatGPT to publish throughout the week. Shorts act as an aggressive subscriber magnet because YouTube's algorithm pushes short-form content to thousands of new viewers instantly. Here is the bridge inside the pinned comment of every single short you upload. Provide a direct link to your long-form video. Your shorts rapidly build up your baseline subscriber count, while those interested viewers click through to your hyper-engaging long videos, knocking out your 4,000 watch hours in record time. It creates a compounding loop that can get your channel fully monetized in a matter of weeks rather than months. Generating your first $100 online doesn't require a massive capital investment. It requires a repeatable, disciplined system. You now possess the exact workflow, the exact tools, and the strategic blueprint to make it happen. If you got genuine value out of this complete breakdown, make sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Get your new channel initialized today. Get ready for our next video where we break down thumbnail optimization, and I will see you in the very next guide.